Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options again. Welcome back to my channel. And if you see today, markets opened with a gap up, saw a little bit of sell-off and then continued to move up. And then if you see in the second half, we again saw a sell-off in Bank Nifty. But in Nifty, if you see, Nifty was much more weaker as compared to Bank Nifty. And as I said, Bank Nifty will lead this rally as compared to Nifty, right? Bank Nifty will be much more stronger. So if you want to buy in Bank Nifty. If you want to sell in Nifty, right? Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? But if you see today, as I said, if we open with a gap up, wait for a little bit of pullback, and then once the market is again breaking yesterday's high, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. In Bank Nifty, you would have gotten a very good momentum till 48,940. I always say that book your profits a little 48,960. I'm sorry. I always say to book your profits a little bit before the round number, and that's why I say if you see right markets took resistance 40 points before 49,000 itself and then started to come down. So I hope you would have booked your profits over there. You would have made good money. Nifty also, if you see, markets went down, and then once the markets were again crossing 22,700, you could have taken a good trade. Your first target of 22,750 would have gotten it in no time. But yes, the second target of 22,800 did not get it. But anyways, I hope you would have trailed your stop loss and made some good money over here, right? What can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now this area 48,600 to 48,560 is going to be very important. If this area breaks, then we can see a good momentum till 48,300 on the downside, because it looks like market is now coming down for a pullback, and from these support levels then we can again think about taking a buying position. So for tomorrow, if we go below 48,560 to 48,600, once we get a 5-minute candle closing, then you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here till 48,300 on the downside. This area then will again act as a support, as I had mentioned in my weekly analysis video also. Once the market comes over here, sorry, not weekly analysis, but yesterday's analysis, once the market comes over here, then we can think about taking a buying position again from this level for much more momentum at higher on the upside, right? So tomorrow below 48,560 is where you can go ahead and take a short trade for around about 250 points to 200 points till 48,300. At higher levels, what I think could happen over here is if we open with a small gap up, and if you are seeing that market is taking good resistance from 48,830 level, right? Basically the high of this candle over here, from this range, if you're saying that market is taking good rejection and making a very good hammer candle like this, right? Or making a very good bearish candle or like this also, then you can take a short trade at higher levels also, because maybe market might go up a little bit, then again take resistance and start to come down, right? So at higher levels, you can still think about taking a short trade till 48,830, but please do not take a short trade above that level. I mean, please do not try to take a short trade above that level. If then you have to take a short trade, right? Which could happen if markets open with a very big gap up, let's say somewhere near 48,900. Then we'll wait for the markets to go above today's high, and then if you are seeing that market has started to make negative price action after crossing today's high, maybe after hitting 49,000, you are again seeing sell-off like this coming. And if you are seeing market making negative price action in 5-minute chart, then you can again go ahead and take a short trade at higher levels from 49,000, because then there will be again a little bit of sell-off coming in from higher levels. But if we do open with a gap up, such a big gap up above 48,900, chances are market will be very volatile. So keep so if we do open with a very big gap up, try to take less quantity tomorrow on the selling side as well as on the buying side, right? At lower levels, if you open with a gap down also, then also we cannot do anything. But if you open with a gap down and with a gap down below 48,000, let's say 550, then we cannot really do anything. And then we'll need to wait for the markets to come near the supports. And then if you're seeing the market is taking good support from here, then you can think about taking a bullish trade. But for that, wait for a positive price action in 15-minute chart, or wait for market to make a seller's trap, right? How can the seller's trap be made? This was a seller's trap over here, if you see, right? In the end, that the market went below yesterday's low, everyone started selling, and then market gave a very good up move from there, right? Or if you see, there are multiple seller's trap that can be made in the market, right? Something, if I could show you markets, if you see over here, market broke this support, and then the market again started to recover, trapping all the sellers over here. So I hope you get a clear idea of what a seller trap is. Basically, if any sort of sellers are getting trapped at this level, that can again result into a very good rally or start of a new up move from there, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see taking support at this level itself, basically this trend line over here, which is the higher part of the channel. Now if Nifty starts to come below 22,610, then we can again see a good momentum till 22,525 very easily, because as I said, this zone will act as a very good support. So if the market comes down over here, you can think about taking a bullish trade from here, but until then we can catch this short trade over here, and the markets can move down pretty good from here, right? If you want to book some profits before that, you can think about booking some profits near 22,565, but 22,525 to 530 will be your target for the downside if Nifty starts to break today's low, right? At higher levels, if you want to take a short position, if Nifty is not crossing 22,700 to 22,680, right? This 20-point range, if Nifty comes over here and it is not able to cross this level and it starts to make negative price action in 5 minute chart, then you can think about taking a short position at higher levels also, because Nifty is looking a bit weak. So if Nifty comes at these levels and starts to make negative price action, you can definitely think about taking a selling position at higher levels also. If you open the gap up about 22,700, best thing would be to not do anything tomorrow, because things will be pretty volatile. Chances are Nifty might just stay in this range, might just stay in today's range itself. If we open the gap down, again same thing, wait for Nifty to see how it reacts to the support. If Nifty is taking very good support from here, then you can go ahead and think about taking a bullish trade, but that will be a positional trade for the coming week. For tomorrow, if Nifty opens the gap down and takes good support from here, you can get some good momentum good buying momentum. But your again, your targets could not really be that big, because things will be a little volatile. So keep small profits for intraday, but for positional basis, you can keep big target of 23,000 very easily, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And tomorrow we could see a little bit more pullback in the markets, and markets could move down. So definitely do try to catch this short trade if you get a good opportunity in the markets. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.